This right here is the 2022 Lamborghini Urus. I'm gonna take you through the inside and take you on a drive so that you can see what this thing feels like and sounds like to drive. On the inside, we have a really nice big steering wheel, really nice metal paddle shifters, all your driving controls right here, really nice big digital display with all your buttons for heating and cooling. We have these really nice stitched seats right here, as well as we have a light up Lamborghini symbol on the door and also pop-up speakers there. Plenty of visibility, plenty of headspace. We have a full sunroof that goes all the way to the back seats and lights throughout the entire front. In the back, you have plenty of room. You have these really, really nice stitched leather seats with Lamborghini badging on it. Plenty of leg room, plenty of headroom. We have the AC and heating controls for the 2 heated back seats right back here. And the sunroof extends all the way here, swayed across the entire ceiling. Under the hood here, we have a twin turbo V8 producing 641 horsepower, and this thing is quick. In the trunk of this thing, we also have plenty of space. We have this that sits right up here, so you can store stuff on top and below. We also have the floor mats for the back seats and the front seats also in the back. Plenty of space. Button shuts by itself. We also have the quad exhaust tips back here that sound insane. Take a listen. And it shifts really, really smooth. I'll give it a little downshift. Another one. The exhaust has a really nice backfire too. If I let off, you can hear it really well from the cabin actually. Probably sounds insane outside of it. And this car actually handles really well in the rain. I haven't really pushed it that hard, but I feel like it grips really, really well to the road. This car also moves. SUVs are typically slower, but I think that this thing could keep up with most Mustangs, probably beat most Mustangs and most Corvettes. We'll give it a little pull here. That was just a little pull to 50. And it felt really good. Again, in the rain, I mean, I'm not really pushing it that hard. That was probably half throttle, and it just grips, and it doesn't feel like it's gonna slide at all. I mean, it is a pretty heavy car, but still, the traction is really good on this car.